Hi, welcome to Sid's Tips. It is 3:30 and I just got my daily harvest order. This is my second order with them and it is hot out there. It's in the 80s and this is supposed to come frozen. And so we're gonna see how it's held up. I loved my first round of order and their scoops, their ice cream is so good. It's very addicting. So I love this food and I love their scoops and they've got a lot to choose from. And so every week, on Sunday night, you would have to pick what you want, and they have different size boxes, and then they ship it to you, it ships on Monday, and you can have it for Wednesday or Thursday. And so I picked for Wednesday delivery, and I got it, and it's great. So let me go ahead and open it. Let's see how it's held up, and they're really great. So if somehow something melted, you can reach them. They'll give you credit for a future order. Now here's the thing as well. If you click on my link, you could save, you get a $35 credit on your order, which is great. We both actually benefit from that. So I'd greatly appreciate it if you do click on it so we can both take advantage. But let me show you what I got. And I mean, I really love the food. It's not the cheapest, but it's so good. And these are great for some meals. If you don't like to cook, then this is a great way to go. And even if you do, might be a nice mix. And they really package this well. So let's do this again soon. So, all right, everything is cold. It looks cold. I mean, it feels very cold. Yep, it is definitely held up. The dry ice on top has melted. Some of the stuff is kind of soft, but not totally melted. It just feels a little bit soft. So what I got here, this is their noodles, which is the gigante bean, the Savoy cabbage, Brussels sprouts, red onion, cumin, and oregano. Then the next thing I got is another bowl. This is the cauliflower, spinach, basil, olive oil, cashew, and nutritional yeast. This is, again, really, really great stuff. You could just put this in a bowl and then add a little water in, you're good to go. I'm gonna start putting these actually in the freezer. And then this one is their harvest bowl, which is red lentil and cumin. It's got cauliflower, red lentil, carrot, coconut, spinach, kachari. And there you go. So we'll go ahead and get those in the freezer. I got to make room now, which is always fun. Let's see if I can get everything in there. And my freezer is going to be packed now. All right, so now I got the scoops. This stuff is so, so good. This is the Ooey Gooey Midnight Fudge. Again, it's a little bit soft. Let's see, the ice, the frozen ice, there is still a little bit on the bottom, as you can see. You can see that steaming. So it did a better job. How it kept it cooler and cold, and the ice didn't melt on top. But this is the dark, melty cocoa chips. This is so good. This stuff is so delicious. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these in the freezer as I go. Then the next one, this is the Toasty Buttery Hazelnut Crunch. This one, again, is a little bit soft, but it's cold, so I'm going to put it in the freezer. So good. This is the Toasty Buttery Hazelnut Crunch. So good. Maple, pistachio, hazelnut, cashew, chlorella, and vanilla bean. Delicious for a snack. Then next up, we have another bowl. This is the red lemon and cumin, so I got two of these. And there we go. Let me see. I think I could put this down here. And then I got several flatbreads. So I got the kale and sweet potato. It's so good. It's got sweet potato, red cabbage, kale, cauliflower, spinach, coriander. So that is that one. So good. Just put it in the toaster oven, and it is a great way to go. Then I got the next one. I got artichoke and spinach. And this one just, it feels solid. Let me just feel the other one too. They feel like they're still frozen, which is good. Broccoli, artichoke, spinach, cauliflower, tahini, and thyme. Then next up, got pear and arugula. Yep, feels solid. Sweet potato, pear, arugula, pecan, hemp seed, and white wine vinegar. This is another great flatbread. My freezer is stuffed now. I should be good for a little bit. And then I have kabocha and sage. That's the last one. That's got cauliflower, kabocha squash, leek, fennel, nutritional yeast, and sage. So there you go. Got it all in here. My freezer is maxed to capacity. And you can see this is how it comes. They have this really great packaging. Done a nice job. Let's do this again soon. Dry ice is way cool. Please don't touch it. It burns. So there you go. Let me know if you have any questions. Click on my link and you'll see you'll get a $35 credit by using that on your order, and we both benefit from that. Thanks so much for joining me today. Have a great day, and I hope you enjoy your daily harvest meal. Take care.